Hello, good morning. Welcome back to our Monday English lesson. Are you ready for today's lesson? Today we are going to learn Unit 8, Conjunction. It's in your textbook, page 80. You may refer to your textbook, later. All right. Do you still remember conjunction? You have learned this when you're in year 3. A conjunction is a word that joins two independent clauses or phrases. Satu perkataan yang menggabungkan dua klausa atau frasa. So, that is kata hubung, conjunction. Yes. Let's look at some example of conjunction. Now, we have some examples: and, but, or, because, so, for, yet, although, since, and etc. You have learned and, but, or, because. Now, today we are going to learn some more conjunctions. Okay, and. We use and to join sentences with the same ideas. Kita gabungkan dua ayat mudah yang sama idea. Kita guna kata hubung and, dan. Right, example. David went on the slides and on the swings. So, David played slides and the swings. These two ideas are the same. I have 2 goldfish and a cat. Goldfish and cat, they are the same ideas, the same animal, in the animal category. So, we use the conjunction and. Right? Now, let's look at some more examples. Another conjunction, but and yet. Yeah. But, tetapi. Yet, tetapi. All right. We use but and yet to introduce 2 different ideas. Kita bandingkan dua idea yang berbeza this time. Example, I like cakes, but I don't like biscuits. Yeah? Can you see the contrast? Different ideas. Aisha was not well, yet she did not want to see the doctor. Dia tak sehat, Aisyah, tetapi dia tak nak jumpa doktor. Yet, the same meaning, maksud yang sama, tapi dia banding dua idea yang tidak sama, different ideas. He is overweight, yet he continues to eat lots of cakes and biscuits. Ya, dia berat badan, terlalu berat, tetapi dia masih makan lagi cakes and biscuits yang banyak. Huh? Right, another example, I tried to hit the nail, but hit my thumb instead. See? So, you see yet, but actually the same meaning, tetapi. Yeah, the meaning tetapi, but how you use yet when you compare, you want to stress, tekankan sesuatu idea. You say yet, Aisha was not well, yet she did not want to see the doctor. Aisha was not well, but she did not want to see the doctor. Pun tidak salah. Cuma yet dia tekan, dia stress. Tetapi, I will show you a video clip at the end of the lesson that you can watch to have better understanding of the use of but and yet. Okay, let's continue the next conjunction, so. We use so to show one thing is the result of another. What is that? Example, he was sick, so they took him to the hospital. It was warm, so we left the windows open. So means you are going to do something. Yeah? Dia sakit, he was sick. So what do you do? So they took him to the hospital. Jadi, atau maka. So, what do they do? What is the result? Right? Okay, next. Because. This is yang kamu biasalah, we have learned. We use because to show reason. To show reason, memberi alasan atau sebab. Because means sebab. The dog barked because it was hungry. She usually eats at home because she likes cooking. Because, sebab. Biasanya kita tanya, why, mengapa? Jadi kita jawab, sebab, because. Why the dog bark? The dog barked because it was hungry. Sebab, give reason, right? For. Okay, what is for? We use for to explain why in a more formal way. The same like because, give reason, but in a more formal way. Secara lebih rasmi lah to give reason. He is overweight for he eats too many cakes and biscuits. Why is he overweight? For he eats too many cakes and biscuits. I told her to leave for I was very tired. Sebab saya penat. Why? I told her to leave because for I was very tired. Same meaning because, but in a more formal way. Okay. Now, let's look at the textbook page 80. You can see more example. Let's look at it. Now, we love to listen to Anna. She sings sweetly. Dua ayat. So, what conjunction we use? We love to listen to Anna, for she sings sweetly. Why do we love to listen to Anna? Why? Because she sings sweetly, or she sings sweetly. Kamini is a graceful dancer. People enjoy watching her. What conjunction? Kamini is a graceful dancer and people enjoy watching her. We use the conjunction and to combine the two sentences because they have the same idea. Yeah, and. Number 3, she is a great swimmer. She prefers to play golf. Do you think these are the same idea or different idea? Great swimmer, berenang yang hebat. Play golf, main golf, tak, tidak mempunyai idea yang sama, different idea. So you use conjunction but. She's a great swimmer, but she refers to play golf. Right, number 4, he can buy the book. He can borrow it from the library. So conjunction, you can choose if the sentences is for you to choose. Like you can choose either one, can buy the book, borrow from the library, so you use conjunction or to choose. Yeah, pilih or mana, which one? And number 5, they did not succeed. They do not give up. Mereka tidak berjaya. Mereka tidak putus asa. So what conjunction we can use? Yet, yeah. They did not succeed. Yet, they did not give up. Mereka tak berjaya, tetapi stress tekan dia. Yet, they did not give up. There's a difference. Number 6, Asin felt cold. He put on his jacket. Rasa sejuk, pakai jacket. That is a result, to show the result. Asin felt cold, so he put on his jacket. Yeah, akibat dia sejuk, so jadi dia pakai jacket. Right. So these are the examples you can see from your textbook. Let's see the practice in your textbook also. I am a wife, a mother. Is this the same or different idea? A wife and a mother. Yeah, I'm a wife and a mother. Right. Number 2, she wants to go to bed early. She's tired. What conjunction? She wants to go to bed early. Why? For she is tired. Sebab dia penat. For sebab give reason why she goes to bed early. Number 3, my grandfather is old. He is active in sports. Same idea or different ideas? Different, right? Compare, banding. Grandfather, datuk tua, active in sports. Yeah, see, kalau orang tua biasanya tak aktif, but he is active in sports. Yeah, right. Number 4, I can eat the pizza right now. I can save it for later. What conjunction? Eat now, save it for later, eat later. You can choose. If you can choose, you use conjunction or. Yeah, eat now or later. Number 5, Kamini needed some new clothing. She went shopping. Dia perlu baju baru, nak beli. So how? So jadi she has to buy, or she went shopping to buy the new clothing. Yeah, these are the few examples. Right. 6. He never drives to work. He sometimes drives to the mall. Conjunction, tak pernah drive pergi kerja. Drive pergi mall. It's different idea. Yet, he sometimes drives to the mall. All right, these are the practices in your textbook. Okay, I have prepared a few questions or sentences for you to try to do as homework. You can see here, join the sentences with the words in brackets, yeah? You see there are words in the bracket, you have to use the word, that is a conjunction. Gabungkan dua ayat menjadi satu ayat. Use the word in the bracket dengan guna perkataan dalam kurungan. Contoh, number 1, Adnan closed the door, he left the house. Conjunction, and. Adnan closed the door and left the house. Now, the word he, you don't have to write, don't have to repeat. So sometimes you have to just omit the word. Kadang-kadang ada perkataan yang kamu tak perlu ulang 2 kali. So Adnan closed the door and left the house. That's it. Number 2, Sarah's mother sells vegetables. She does not sell meat. Conjunction, but. Right? Now, how do you combine the sentences? Sarah's mother sells vegetables, but not meat. Like that. Sarah's mother sells vegetables, but not meat. Okay? Number 3, let's look at it. Number 3, we must talk softly. We will wake the baby up. Conjunction, or. We must talk softly, or we will wake the baby up. You gabungkan 2 ayat, use the conjunction or. Now, I want you to try the rest of the sentences. You can do it in your exercise book, and I hope you have a clear idea and better understanding. If you have any question, you can always ask teacher. And I will also upload 2 video clips about conjunctions for you to watch after this lesson. Hope you have a clear idea. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you all have a good time and have a good day at home while learning at home. Okay, I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.